Today we're tackling a frustrating anti-cheat error in Battlefield 6. The EA Javelin Anticheat encountered an error message. If you're seeing this error preventing you from playing, I've got you covered with these proven solutions to get you back into the game. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to anti-cheat service issues, system conflicts, or game file problems. First, let's try repairing the EA Javelin Anticheat service. Navigate to your Battlefield 6 installation folder, usually in C, Program Files, EA Games Battlefield 6, and look for the Anti-Cheat or Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run the easyanticheat_setup.exe file as administrator, select Battlefield 6 from the game list, and click Repair Service. If that doesn't work, let's verify your game files through your gaming platform. Open either the EA app, Steam, or Epic Games Launcher, find Battlefield 6 in your library, and use the Verify Integrity of Game Files or Repair option. This will check for and replace any corrupted game files that might be affecting the anti-cheat system. Now, let's ensure your system meets the anti-cheat requirements. Some anti-cheat systems require specific Windows features to be enabled. Press Windows key +R, type Optional Features, and make sure Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8 inch are enabled. Also check that Windows is fully updated through Settings, Update and Security. If you're still encountering the error, let's check for conflicting software. Temporarily disable any VPN services, network monitoring tools, or screen recording software. Some anti-cheat systems may flag these applications as potential security risks. For persistent issues, try running the game as administrator. Right-click the Battlefield 6 shortcut or executable file, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. This can help with permission-related anti-cheat errors. As a last resort, you can try completely reinstalling the anti-cheat service. Uninstall Battlefield 6 through your game platform, then manually delete any remaining game folders. Before reinstalling, download the latest Easy Anti-Cheat setup from the official website and run it as administrator. I know how frustrating anti-cheat errors can be when you're just trying to enjoy Battlefield 6. One of these solutions should resolve the EA Javelin anti-cheat error. For most players, repairing the service or verifying game files does the trick. If this guide helped you get past the anti-cheat error and back into the game, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.